In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people in Meta Business Suite. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. This ensures you land on the correct dashboard even if you don't have the direct link handy. From the results, click the official Meta Business Suite link. If you're unsure, look for Meta's trusted domains and branding to avoid landing on a lookalike page. Once you're on the site, log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. Either login route works, as long as it's tied to the business assets you plan to manage. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Meta Business Suite home screen, where you can access your pages, inbox, ads, and more. Head over to Settings. This is the control center for your business, where you manage people, assets, and permissions. In the left-hand menu, look for the Users or Accounts section and click People. This is where you'll add team members, partners, or contractors. In the top right corner, click the Invite People button. A panel will open where you can enter the person's details and define exactly what they can access. Type the email address of the person you want to add. It's best to use the email associated with their personal Facebook account to help the invitation connect smoothly to their profile. Next, set the access level. Choose partial access for employees who only need to post content, respond to messages, or view performance data. This keeps risk low and focuses their access on day-to-day tasks. Choose full control for trusted admins who will manage settings, assign people, and perform high-impact actions, including deleting the portfolio. Reserve full control for a small, reliable group to protect your business. If you need to manage billing visibility, open the advanced options to set finance permissions. You can grant viewing access so they can see invoices and payment methods, or managing access if they need to update billing details and handle payments. Only grant managing access to those who truly need it. Click next to choose the specific business assets you want them to work on, such as Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, or ad accounts. Assign only what's required for their role. For example, give page access to social managers and ad account access to media buyers. Finally, review everything carefully: email, access level, finances, and asset selections. Then click Send Invitation. The person will receive an email and, once they accept, their access will appear in your people list. That's all you need to add people in Meta Business Suite with clarity and control.